Hello all, welcome to part 267 of Java tutorial series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate that static methods cannot be overridden. So let's get started. First of all, I'll open this Eclipse IDE where we have this sample Java project already created. Inside this sample Java project, I'll create two classes. One is I'll name that as class A. I'll create one more class, guys. I'll name that as class B. Now I have created two classes. So out of these two classes, I'll make one of the class a child class of another class. So I'll make this class A parent of this class B. That is class B as a child of the class A. So extends class A like this. Now class B is a child class of the class A. Now in this parent class, I'll create a method which is a static method. Public static void. I'll name this method as some sample. Now here inside this method, I'll write a print statement. Sample hyphen class A. That's it. Now I'll try to override this method in the parent class from the child class. I'll try to create the same method in the child class to override the method in the parent class. Public void name is sample, right? So I'll give sample here. The moment when I try to create the same method to override the method in the parent class, I am going to get the compiler error like this. We cannot override the static methods from the parent classes. Okay, you have to remove the static here. Static methods from the parent class cannot be overridden in the child classes. If you remove the static keyword from here, you see the error will be gone. You see error is gone. Again, if you add static here, error will come back. The compiler error will come back. You see static methods cannot be overridden in the child classes. Okay. So why a child class cannot override the methods which are static type from the parent class? The reason is runtime polymorphism is not possible with the static methods. That's why child class methods cannot override the static methods in the parent class. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.